Hello, this is James again from Denmark. Today I will show you a mini laser cleaning machine, and this one is a 2-axis cleaning head. You can see this one. You can see this cleaning head is just 2 axes, so it can just produce 2D patterns like circle and wave and different circles. So you can see it's very small, and here you can show the status. You can see this is a touch screen, and here are 5 patterns and straight line, circle, and this is the snowflake, this is the oxide, and this is the rotating dot. So this is the 5 patterns. Okay, so you can choose here, and this one here you can just adjust it the cleaning width. You see, you can adjust it. Yes, and inside this is the laser source. Use the max laser source. This one is 2000 watts, and this is the water chiller. Yes, so water will be put in here. Alright, so just let's try this machine with a different circle. Okay, first let's try on this goggles. Okay, now they show this is circle. Let's say the status. Okay, this is a line. Now let's try the circle. You say the circle is very big. Okay. Next one is This is rotating dots. Okay, next one. You say this is eclipse. Okay, next one. Okay, so it's like a butterfly. So it's very interesting. So this one, this 2-axis patterns. So these 2-axis patterns can clean the surface more smoothly and averagely, and it's better than the line pattern. So thank you for your time. If you are interested, you can contact us.